Welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Parker, and in today's video, I wanted to make a cryptocurrency market analysis video. So we'll go over the total market cap, we'll go over the altcoin market, and then we'll just kind of scan through here and look at some different cryptocurrencies. So here we are on total, which is the cryptocurrency total market cap here. As you can see, we are on the weekly chart, and it is currently sitting at $1.106 trillion. So looking at the market, as you can see, this is the 2018 bull market cycle high here. And as you can see, we did pull into it here in November and find it as a bottom. If you ask me, the chart is looking pretty bullish here. As you can see, we are breaking this downtrend here. And we did get that breakout, and we did pull in for a retest of this daily 20 exponential moving average, which is still a bullish pullback, as it is still above that EMA. And if you look here, we do kind of had an inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern here. As you can see with your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and then we do have our neckline right here. And this could also be just a back test of this neckline, which is very typical for head and shoulders type patterns before you get that full reversal to the upside. So if you ask me, there is a lot of bullish symmetry here in the total cryptocurrency market, and we can pull a Fibonacci here. As you can see, we did find resistance there at that 382 Fibonacci level. And so I would expect once we do get through this and we do get our bullish reversal, I would be looking up here towards this 0.5 fib, which does line up exactly with these lows from the January 24th here. So that would definitely be my next target up here towards this $1.486 trillion level. I do want to zoom out, do a little bit of a larger time frame analysis here. So again, look at the 2-week chart. So as you can see on the 2-week chart, we did just get above that 20 EMA, and we are pulling into it as support right now. We can zoom out a little more here to the monthly chart. If you look at the monthly chart, as you can see, we did run into it as resistance. So that is something we need to currently get through here on the total cryptocurrency market cap. But if you look at the 2-month chart, we did break up through it, and we are currently sitting exactly right at that level right now. So we do definitely want to see this hold. But looking at that weekly chart, it is looking pretty bullish here with this inverse head and shoulders, this downtrend break, and holding this uptrend here above this 20 EMA. As you can see, this uptrend we are still in here. So yeah, still looking strong here on the total cryptocurrency market cap. Now we can look at the altcoin market. We'll look at total 2. So what total 2 is the total market cap, but it excludes Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not in this data set here. As you can see, the total cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin is sitting here at $580.4 billion. Kind of the same story here, pulling into these previous highs from January of 2018. But as you can see, it did kind of wick through it, not holding it exactly like the total did. But total 2 still, the same story here. Still looking bullish, as you can see, breaking down through this downtrend currently right now, and coming down and riding that downtrend right now for a retest, which is definitely pretty common here when you see trend reversals. You do like to see the breakout of the trend line and then a pullback for a retest of the trend line as support. But we can pull another fib here on total 2. So you see total 2 not as strong as total, because obviously Bitcoin is going to be leading the way. But as you can see, sitting right here at this 0.236 Fibonacci level. But yeah, looking pretty strong here as well. You could almost make this like kind of head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders argument for, most of it, because they are going to look pretty similar here. Now we can look at total 3, which is the cryptocurrency total market cap, but it excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is basically just every cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously. And it is sitting here at 352.489 billion. As you can see, the previous 2018 high up here, as you can see, pulling down into it much farther than both total and total 2. But we can draw that same kind of downtrend level that we were looking at the others. As you can see, definitely not quite as strong here, kind of getting rejected at that level. Still looking for our breakout and trend reversal here. in the overall market. But obviously, we're gonna need some more capital inflow here into the larger cryptocurrencies in order for these smaller ones to, get their turn. Because what happens usually is the big boys, like the ones that pretty much most people are invested in, once they make their move, people do take profit in those coins, and then they do move that money around into the cheaper, different altcoins, which then gives it that the altcoin market rotation as Bitcoin dominance drops. So as you can see here, we can pull up the Bitcoin dominance chart. So as you can see, Bitcoin dominance is up here at a fairly high level. It has been uptrending for quite a while here, but it is running into significant resistance levels here. I would definitely watch this level, because if this does pull back from here, this will give the altcoins an opportunity for more upside and potentially to break that trend line here that we were talking about on total 3. But if it does, come down here and catch this midline and catch a bid and break through this level, I would definitely watch out, because Bitcoin will probably get a nice move to the upside, and the altcoins will definitely lag. That's for sure. So we can take a look at Bitcoin here on the weekly chart. As you can see, that 2018 high, as you can see, it did pull into it. It did get its inverse head and shoulders as well. As you can see, your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and it did break through that neckline. And it is retesting that neckline right now, which is, as I said, very typical for inverse head and shoulders patterns. So that's definitely something you want to see. Looking pretty strong here in Bitcoin. As you can see, still holding its uptrend line as well. And on that obviously longer time frame, we did break that downtrend. Come in for the retest, the push up, and we are pulling back onto that neckline. So yeah, definitely looking strong here in Bitcoin. We can zoom out a little bit here. We can look at the 2-week chart. As you can see, looking strong here above that 20 EMA here. Looking at the monthly chart, as you can see, sitting right there below it after poking above it here in April. So we would like to see that get back above that level. Looking at the 2-month chart here, as you can see, holding that level. And we can look at the quarterly chart, but it's not the best chart for cryptocurrencies because they are kind of a new asset. Especially this chart only going back to like 2014. But bullish above that level, obviously, sitting here above that $23,000 level. Now we can just kind of scan through some other cryptocurrencies. Looking here at XRP. As you can see, XRP looking bullish. After pulling down into these previous kind of significant level here, around this, 29 cent, 30 cent level. As you can see, very significant level here over the history of XRP's price chart. As you can see, when it's below it, it's typically acting as resistance. When it is above it, it's typically holding as support. So as you can see, we did get, a lot of support, a lot of bounces here off that level. So looking pretty strong here. We can draw kind of like a super long trend line. I don't even know if this will look right. No, that's not going to look right. So yeah, we can draw it from this high. As you can see, XRP right at that point, right? There is a lot of rumors, trumors going around about the lawsuit basically being over. We did have the Ripple Labs CEO come out and say that, he expects the lawsuit to end within weeks and not months. And as you can see, the chart is ready. As you can see, approaching this downtrend line, ready for liftoff at any moment here. So if we do break this trend line, congrats to all the XRP holders. We can draw like a fib from this level here. As you can see, topping out here at that 382 fib level. Definitely looking for it to break to the upside with that 0.5 sitting up here at about 76 cents. So yeah, we can zoom out a little more on XRP. Look at the 2-week chart. As you can see, bullish on the 2-week chart, holding that 20 EMA. Looking at the monthly chart, still sitting here battling that. We're sitting right at that midline. If we can get through it, like I said, breaking this downtrend, it's game on for XRP. As you can see, literally all the price action for the month is literally pretty much the exact width of that midline. So very, very crucial moment here in the XRP price chart history. You can zoom out a little bit more here on the 2-month, as you can see, battling that same level. Looking here at the 3-month chart, here at the quarterly chart, as you can see, holding above that level, which is very bullish to see. Even though, that's not the most significant level, obviously, because there's not much data to really create this here technical analysis. So yeah, XRP looking super bullish here. We can scroll through here, looking at Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum looking pretty nice here. As you can see, getting back above that 2018 high and breaking its downtrend line as well, holding above that 20 EMA. Looking at XLM, as you can see, pretty beaten down here on XLM. Really do like this cryptocurrency. It's kind of a sister currency to XRP, which is obviously my favorite crypto. As you can see, pulling into these previous highs from 2017, getting that bounce here. And if you look, as you can see, getting a trend reversal as well. So trend reversal here for XLM on top of 2017's highs. Looking at Algorand, as you can see, super beaten down. It's almost done a full retracement down here to the all-time lows. Looking at H-bar, H-bar has pulled back a lot as well, sitting here at just 5 cents, with the all-time high up here at 58 cents. As you can see, kind of holding this kind of price level here, this price structure here from the 2020 time period. Can keep continuing on here. QNT obviously holding them a lot better than H-bar, Algorand, and XLM. As you can see, kind of approaching its downtrend line here. If you draw it from this upper wick, as you see, it's kind of farther away, but if you do go to the open and closes here, it does line up with this previous high. So as you can see, getting pretty close to maybe a trend reversal here in quant. As you can see, holding these previous highs back here from June of 2021. XDC, as you can see, looking pretty nice here. These previous highs back here from its inception back in 2018, as you can see, coming down into that level, holding it as support, and it did get its trend reversal as well. VeChain here, as you can see, getting a trend reversal as well, but not quite able to get above these previous highs back here from 2020 just yet. But yeah, this is my first cryptocurrency video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are interested in cryptocurrency, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I might try to start doing more cryptocurrency breakdowns, every couple weeks or so, or every week. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, cryptocurrency market looking super bullish here. Stock market looking super bullish. Debt deal about to be made. So yeah, appreciate y'all watching the video, and I'll talk to y'all later.